Sanibonani. Hello. Mr. Marufu is greeting you. Mr. Marufu. I've forgotten my name. I only know my surname. Name is too complicated. I can't deal, guys. Bafethu ziyakhala this Sunday. Ziyakhala this Sunday. Ziyakhala this Sunday. Mesh yokuqala is at 10 o'clock. Yeah, Mr. Marufu Kinacho. That's me. This Sunday, Bafethu ziyakhala Vet Stadium. Please come through and watch soccer. Please come through and watch soccer, guys. Dirari Zare Mafuru. Yeah, Dirari Zare. Yes. Guys, Ziakala this Sunday, Buffet to come through and watch soccer. Vet Stadium. Meshokala hip hop versus Gum. Aye. Big Zulu, exciting, very early in the morning. Very early in the morning. No, you can stream the game. It won't be live on TV, but you can stream it on YouTube. But please come through and watch soccer, guys. Tickets are available at Compute Tickets. Tickets are available at Compute Tickets. Guys, you know, Gum team is gonna surprise everybody. Gum team is gonna take this cup. Gum team is gonna lift this cup. It's gonna lift this cup. And if you believe in Mr. Murufu, you gotta believe that Gum is gonna win on a Sunday. So please go out to Compute Tickets to buy. Okuzani Bafethu have beshawa bazoshawa ipiano way Maskandi, you can't let your people down. You can't be beaten again by piano, guys. Bafethu. But anyway, it's going down on Sunday, guys. Please come through in numbers. And I told my people in Zimbabwe that I've got 1,000 USDs if you can bring back my passport. If you can find my passport, I still don't have my passport. I went to Rwanda to play and then I lost my passport. And then now they have revealed my true identity, that I'm Mr. Marufu. My true identity has been, guys, come on. Easy, take it easy. But anyway, if you are in Joburg, come through and watch soccer this Sunday. It's the Mr. Murufu signing off. Zimbabwean International. Yes. Thank you. Love you guys. Take care.